Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Real English Conversation. I'm Rose, and today we're going to visit a cafe.
Hi, I'm Jack. Nice to see you again, friends. In this episode, we'll help you learn easy English phrases you can use at a cafe.
You'll learn how to order coffee, talk to the cashier, and chat with a friend. Simple, useful, and fun.
Before we start, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our podcast. That helps more English learners join our community.
Yes, and grab a cup of coffee or tea while you listen. Let's start. Okay, imagine this. You walk into a cafe. You smile and say, "Good morning," or "Hi there."
The barista smiles back and says, "Hi, what can I get for you today?"
Let's repeat that together. Listen, repeat. What can I get for you today?
Good job. That's how you ask someone what they want to order. Now, how can you answer?
You can say, "I'd like a coffee, please." Or, "Can I have a cappuccino?"
Let's practice that. Listen, discuss, listen again. Can I have a cappuccino?
Nice! Remember to always say please and thank you. It's polite and friendly.
Now let's order something to eat. You might say, "I'd like a muffin, please." Or, "Can I have a sandwich?"
And the barista might say, "Sure. Anything else?"
You can answer, "No, that's all, thank you." Or, "Yes, a small orange juice, please."
Let's repeat. Listen, repeat. No, that's all, thank you.
Good job. Now it's time to pay. The barista says, "That'll be $5.
You can answer, "Here you go," if you give cash, or "Can I pay by card?"
Let's practice that. Listen, repeat. Can I pay by card?
Perfect pronunciation. You sound like a local already. Now you sit at a table with your friend. Maybe you say, "This coffee is really good. How's your drink?"
And your friend might answer, "It's delicious." Or, "I love it."
Let's make a short cafe conversation together. I'll be the barista and Jack will be the customer.
Hi there. Can I have an iced coffee, please?
Of course. Would you like milk or sugar?
Just a little milk, please.
Here you go. Enjoy your drink.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
That's a simple and real cafe conversation.
Exactly. Let's listen again and practice together. Listen, discuss, listen again flow helps you understand rhythm and pronunciation. Let's go over some useful phrases again. Repeat after us.
I'd like a coffee, please.
Can I have a sandwich?
Anything else?
That's all. Thank you.
Can I pay by card?
Here you go.
And don't forget friendly expressions like, "How's your day?" Or, "This place is nice."
Using small talk like this makes you sound natural and confident in English.
Yes, and remember, speaking slowly is okay. Confidence is more important than speed.
Well done, everyone. You learned how to order food and drinks in English.
You practiced real cafe conversations, polite phrases, and small talk. You did great today.
Let's review quickly. Say hello, order your drink, say thank you, and enjoy your time.
Exactly. Keep practicing these lines when you go to a cafe. You'll feel more confident every time.
Now here's today's community question. What's your favorite thing to order in a cafe?
Tell us in the comments. We love reading your answers.
Thanks for joining us today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Real English Conversation.
See you next time, friends. Keep learning, keep smiling, and keep practicing your English.